Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you the best OBS recording settings for your high quality, smooth and lag-free videos. These settings work great for gameplay, tutorials and screen recording, so let's just jump straight into it. First of all, open up OBS Studio on your device. You can just go and open it up. And once you go ahead and open it up, you can go to your settings. So go to your settings. And within your settings, what you need to do is guard for output. Set the output mode to advanced if you want to do it, or you can even make it simple. And under the recording tab right here, you can make the recording quality to high quality and ensure this recording format is MPEG-4 and ensure this video encoder is into 264, or you can select NVIDIA NVENC if you have an NVIDIA GPU and not choose 264. And after this is done, what you can do is you can go to video section. And within here, you can make the base canvas resolution to 1920 into 1080. And after that is done, right below it, we have output resolution. You can also set it to 1920 into 1080 as well. You can set it to your screen resolution. And after that is done, for downscaling filter, you can choose Lancos for the sharpest quality, or set the common FPS value to 60 for smooth, or 30 if your PC is low end. And after that is done, you can go to advanced and look out for color option if available. And within color also, you can just go over and set the color range to partial. You can see the changes once that is done. And that's it. That is how you set up the best OBS recording settings for crisp quality and smooth performance. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.